welcome back to my channel. My name is Dijah Alize. If you're new here, if you're not, again, welcome back. Today I'm coming back with another wig video. Today I will be working with Unice hair. So as you can see, I was already way too excited. So I already opened the box, already started messing with the wig. So let's just get into the deets. But before we get into that, don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe, and just stay tuned.
Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.
Alright, so this is the wig. I know this wig looks like a frontal, but it is not. This wig is different than any other wig I've tried. I've already went in and plucked a little bit, not much, and you'll see why in just a second. So this wig is a three-part wig. So I don't know if you guys can see it here, but basically there is a little bit of hair right here, and then if you can see, that is a track. So it's not a full like frontal wig, it's just like they described it, a three-part wig. So it parts on both sides, and as you can see, that's a pretty deep parting space. If you've ever tried Unice hair, then you know usually on the sides you don't get that much parting space. So that's kind of nice to have it over there. I really only wear my hair in a middle part or a side part, so it's fine for me. And you can also put this hair up if you wanted to, just because it does have hair left out in the front. And here's the other side. So you can really part on whichever side you want to. Right now it's kind of not staying in those parts just because I need to hot comb this wig. But this wig is in 16 inches. This is a very like average type of length. It's not too long, not too short. It's like right in the middle. But yeah, so let's just get into me putting on the wig. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this wig is a fake scalp wig. So you really don't have to do a ball cap method with these type of wigs. As you can see, all that right there is like non-transparent lace. So it gives the illusion if you didn't want to wear a cap. I just wear a cap to keep my hair in place, but if you didn't want to wear a cap, you don't have to. And if you're not really good at the ball cap method, that's really helpful to you. So now that my lace is pretty much down, I already have some thoughts about this wig, but I'm gonna save it until the end, and just kind of push through for now. Let me get to hot combing this wig because it does have three parts, so that kind of makes it look a little bumpy, like right up in here. And I'm gonna use my handy dandy mousse. Already look at this side versus this side. gosh. Y'all probably wonder why I'm smiling. I'm smiling because I'm laughing at myself because my baby hairs are lopsided. And I don't really feel like fixing them because I've been fighting with them for about 30 minutes. So it's gonna stay like this. And I don't care. So yeah. So this brings us to the end of this video. I do have a few critiques about this wig. So basically, I do want you guys to know that you're not gonna get the full comfort of a frontal from this wig. It's a 3-part wig, so it's exactly as it's described. It's 1, 2, 3 parts, you know. So with that being said, there is hair left out here, so it can give you the illusion of a frontal, but you do have to keep in mind there is a lace shortage, so that's why these companies are trying to give you more options in how to have that frontal look without actually wearing a frontal, just because there's not as much lace as there could be or was before the pandemic. So yeah, so there is like hair in the parts that's added in. So basically it's kind of like a closure. So like here there's hair, around the parts there's hair, and in the front there's hair. But this part right here is tracks. So it's tracks literally on a wig cap. But they do give you the fake scalp illusion, so that does help. I did cut this wig a little more just because that's just how I like it. I feel like 16 inches is an average length, but it's, I don't know, I like my 16 inches to look more blunt, more, to me it gives it a more natural look. So that's why I always do it that way. But I do like this wig. I feel like it's very cute, and it's giving the look that I would wear it in. I really don't wear my frontals in all these different kinds of styles. I really don't pull them up. I just wear them either in the middle part or side part and keep it moving. Only thing I had a problem with, to me, is the lace on this wig. It was very light. Now you probably can't really tell as much, but it was very light. Like, being dark skinned, you know, I had to put a lot of makeup on this wig for it to basically blend in. But the quality of the lace is good. It's thin. It's nice. So yeah, that's basically my review on the wig. But if you guys want to see more from me, be sure to check out more of my videos, some of my previous videos. And don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching.